everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another unboxing to share with you, and I have got my September picks for Beauty Kit, the Feel Unique Beauty Kit. So as always, if you're new to the beauty kit, I'll just give you a quick lowdown telling you all about it. But if you've seen it all before and you just want to hear more about the products I picked, then I'll add a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. The beauty kit is available on Feel Unique's beauty website. The cost of the beauty kit is £12.99 and there's additional shipping on top, which is £3.99. But that gets credited back onto your account, so you're able to use it on any future purchases on their website, excluding the beauty kit and the pick and mix sample service. So in order to be able to access the beauty kit, you need to create an account, and once you do that, you are able then to choose your items for your beauty kit once a month. So say for instance you order on the 1st of September, you will not be able to do it again until the 1st or 2nd of October. There's no subscription or commitments, anything like that, so you're free to pick and choose as you wish. Once you've spent £75 or more on your Feel Unique account, not necessarily on the sample services, but any purchases that you make, they do credit £5 back onto your account, and you can use that towards anything. So I recently reached £75 on my account and I received a £5 voucher code, so I used it against this month's beauty kit. Now you're able to choose 5 products a month over a huge range of products. They do have some amazing samples on there. Yes, they're samples, they're not full size, they're not travel sizes, although some are minis, but they do have some amazing samples on there. For the pick and mix then, I'll just briefly tell you about that. That is a very similar service, as in you can choose up to 5 samples once a month, but the difference between the two is that the pick and mix sample service is free. You just pay £3.95 shipping, which also gets credited back onto your account, so completely free in that sense. But the samples are a lot smaller. With the beauty kit, they're a lot larger, so that is where the money difference comes into it. All links and everything related to the beauty kit and the pick and mix sample service I'll pop down below in my description. So underneath this video you'll see show more or a downward arrow. If you click that, that will bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. So I think that's it as far as information goes. If I've missed anything out, please feel free to message me and I'll comment back. But yeah, let's get on to showing you what I chose this month. With every order of the beauty kit, you receive this little pouch here. Now I've got a few of them, so yeah, it's a nice idea, but as I've said in previous videos, I think it would be much better if they just sent it out with your first order, because you don't, especially if you do this monthly, you know, you'll be having 12 of them over a year. It might be handy for you, who knows, but for me personally, I've got quite a few little pouches like this. So the first 3 items I chose are by the same brand, and they're Origins. Now this is a brand I would love to try more of their products. They sound absolutely amazing, and I'm thinking about getting their advent calendar. But I have tried some of these before in different subscription boxes, but yeah, I do really like the brand, what I've tried so far. So the first one then is Ginseng. This is an ultra hydrating energy boosting cream, and this is 15 mils. Then I've got a Origins Plantscription. This is an anti-aging power serum, and it's 15 mils as well. Then lastly, I've got a Checks and Balances, a frothy, oh, I can't say it, a frothy face wash. This is also 15 mils. Now this is something I haven't tried before, so really excited to give that a go. So I've got a little 3-step routine here. I've got a cleanser, a serum, and a moisturiser as well. So yeah, no, I'm really chuffed to them, and I can't wait to use them all and see what they are like on my face. Next I went for something I've never tried before. This is by the brand Dahlia. This is a velvet lip mousse, and it says mint lip tint. So it's a little mini one. I haven't tried any products by this brand before. If any of you have, please let me know what you've tried and what they are like. This is a teeny tiny sample. This is super teeny tiny. So I'm wondering if it's quite a high-end brand. If it's not, then it should really be in the pick and mix. And yeah, I do think that's really nice. The colour is gorgeous. Oh, that is so moussey. Oh, I love it. And that shade, it is gorgeous. That looks just so thick and creamy. I thought it had a smell. It has, it's got like a minty smell to it. So is it like a plumping effect maybe? Oh, that is just really, really lovely. But yeah, so I've got a Dear Dahlia little lipstick mini there. And then lastly, I've got a mascara. And this is by Estée Lauder. And this is Double Wear Zero Smudging Lengthening Mascara in black. And it's 2.8 mils. Ooh, look at that wand. It's very long and thin. Is it wider on the end? Yeah, it's wider here and then it goes narrow towards the end. That's quite a nice brush actually. Normally I don't go for really skinny ones because I just don't think they do much to my eyelashes. I tend to use ones like this for my under eyes, but maybe that'll really lift it up because the bristles are quite dense. No, I'm really chuffed with that. It's in black. Did I say it was in black? I can't remember now. But yeah, Estée Lauder Double Wear Mascara. So there's that. So these are all the samples that I chose for my beauty kit for this month. I've got 3 skincare items by the brand Origins. I've got a Dear Dahlia lipstick and I've got an Estée Lauder Double Wear Mascara. I think for £12.99, I think I've chosen some lovely items. I wouldn't say it's amazing value for money, only because I've had items similar size in different subscription boxes for roughly the same price as the beauty kit. And I've had more products in the subscription boxes, but I did find it quite hard to choose items this month. I really wanted to choose items I've had previously. I love a Clinique. It's Super Defense SPF 40. It's a moisturiser and that's 15 mils and you can actually buy that for £7 to £10, something like that. I had that last month and I've received it a few times as well in subscription boxes and things. So I've got about 3 of them at the moment. So I'm thinking, no, choose something else. There's a lot of good ones there, but I just thought, nope, I'll go for something different. So yeah, so I'm happy with my choices, really happy. So as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of the beauty kit? Have you ordered anything recently? And what did you pick? I'd love to hear your thoughts on it. Or if this is all new to you, I'd still love to hear what you think. So yeah, so I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.